a leader filled with compassion, empathy, ability to relate and connect with people, a man who has achieved heights unimaginable. Kasun Sigera is indeed an individual with passion and vision, all set towards shaping people's lives for the better. His undying enthusiasm and devotion for serving the motherland led him to start his Rotaract career in May 2016 as a member of the Rotaract Club of Kelaniya, and he proceeded on to become the president of the same in July 2017. His strong leadership skills led the club to reach greater heights and win multiple awards at the Rotaract District Assembly 2018, including the Emerging Club of the Year and Silver Award for the Most Outstanding Community Service Project. Inducted as a Rotarian in the Rotary Club of Kelaniya in 2018, his vibrant energy dissipated during his presidency, and the vast knowledge in the sector of marketing and public relations got him to serve in the Rotaract District Steering Committee as the Joint Director Public Relations for the year 2018-19, during which he also encountered an unforgettable moment in his life by being awarded the Best Rilarian at Ryla 2019. Indeed, a self-made man in Rotaract. This is the Lifetime Achievement Award presented to past District Rotaract Representative Rotarian Kasun Sigera.